It's springtime. The days are getting longer. The nights are getting warmer. But we haven't left soup weather yet. Some days it's rainy and cool. I'm going to make soup again today. And what I'm going to make is a lentil and ham soup that intrigues me. And it's really simple. You'll spend more time prepping the vegetables than you will assembling the soup. So let's make this lentil and ham soup. I'm starting a large pot with a medium heat, to which I'm adding 4 cups, 950 milliliters of my homemade chicken stock. You can use one of those 32-ounce, 900-gram cartons of low-sodium chicken broth sold in the store. Then I'm adding 2 cups, 475 milliliters of water, 2 carrots chopped, 2 stalks of celery chopped, 1 large onion chopped, and then 1 cup, 230 grams of dried lentils, any color you like, and 2 cloves of garlic minced, but I'm using some jarred roasted garlic. Bring the pot to a boil, reduce the heat to low, and simmer until the vegetables are tender, about 10 minutes. Stir occasionally to check for sticking on the bottom of the pan. My soup has been simmering. I'm adding 1.5 cups, about 225 grams, of cubed cooked ham, 1 teaspoon dry mustard, 1 teaspoon or a generous pinch of salt, and then some freshly ground black pepper, about half a teaspoon. Give it a good stir and raise the heat again to bring the pot to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low and simmer 20 to 30 minutes. Almost done. Everything is tender. I'm using my infamous red-handled tasting spoon to taste for salt. It's fine. Ladle into bowls, garnish with a little shredded Parmesan or Romano cheese, and this soup is ready to enjoy. This is a nice looking soup. And I like a thin broth. If you like a thick broth, add a couple tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons of flour at the beginning of the cooking time. Bold flavor. If you like a strong flavored soup, this is it. It's got a nice flavor to it. So excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy a late lunch of my lentil and ham soup.